Video of basic Chinese course. In this video we will learn about the colors. So the contents for today's video are introduction, characters typing, sentence use and vocabulary. So today we will learn about colors. Before we start, I would like to tell you that how do we say colors in Chinese. Okay, it's 颜色. 颜色 means color. 颜色. 颜色. Okay, so today we will learn about 5 colors. It's white, black, blue, green and red. Okay, so for white I'll translate it for you. 白色. Black is 黑色. And blue is 蓝色. And green is 绿色. Okay. 绿色. 绿色. And the red, last one, red is 红色. Okay. 白色. 白色. This pinyin by is having second tone. Okay. 白 and 色. The last one is the fourth tone. So in the pronunciation, the 色 sound should be like very sharp. Okay. 白色 黑色 黑色 蓝色 okay. 绿色. Okay, remember this green. Okay, this pinyin is like, okay, 绿. Okay, 绿. Before we have learned in the Chinese alphabets in the first video that this letter gives the sound of U. Okay, U. But if there are 2 dots, so this pinyin gives us the sound of V. Okay, but it's not total the sound of V. Okay, it's like U plus V mixture. Okay, so remember for this one, green, if anywhere you see this type of pinyin, so you cannot pronounce it like Lu. Okay, so it should be rightly pronounced as Lü. Okay, Lü. So this is Lü Si. Both of these pinyin have the 4 tones, so during pronunciation the sound should be like very sharp. Lü Si. Okay, and the red, the last one is 红丝 白丝 黑丝 蓝丝 绿丝 红丝. Okay, so these are the 5 colors. You can ask a different question from anyone for these colors. For example, you can ask anyone, what type of color do you like? 你喜欢什么颜色? What type of color do you like? 颜色. Okay, 你喜欢什么颜色? 你喜欢什么颜色? Or for example, you can ask your friends what type of clothes you are wearing. For example, you can ask from them about their clothes color, or maybe you can ask any type of question related to these colors. Okay, 你喜欢什么颜色? 你喜欢什么颜色? So the answer could be any of these. Okay, for example, if you ask anyone 你喜欢什么颜色? What type of color do you like? So the answer could be like white. 我喜欢白色 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 Okay, so I like white color. So I like, for this like and don't like, if for example if I don't like, so I will say 我不喜欢. Okay, to this sentence I will just use another pinyin, another character. Okay, another pinyin for 不 for not. 不我不喜欢 Okay, 你喜欢什么颜色? 我喜欢白色. Or for example, 我不喜欢白色 我喜欢黑色. For example, okay, what type of color do you like? I like white color. I don't like white color. I like black color. Okay, 我喜欢白色 我不喜欢白丝，我喜欢黑丝。OK， 白丝，白丝，黑丝，黑丝，蓝丝，蓝丝，绿丝，绿丝，红丝，红丝。你喜欢什么颜色？我喜欢白色，我不喜欢白色。白色，白色，黑色，黑色，蓝色，蓝色，绿色，绿色，红色，红色。你喜欢什么颜色？我喜欢白色，我不喜欢白色。So now comes to the characters typing session. 天空是什么颜色？天空 means sky. 天空，天空是什么颜色？什么颜色 means which color? What color 是什么颜色？颜色 means what type of color the sky have? 天空是什么颜色？天空是蓝色。Sky is in blue color. 天空，天空是is be form of verb. 天空是蓝色，蓝色，蓝色 means blue. 蓝色。云层，云层 is cloud layer. 云层是什么颜色？什么颜色 means which color the cloud layer have. 是什么颜色？云层是白色，云层是白色 means the cloud layer is white in color. 云层，云层是白色，白色 means white color. 云层是白色。天空是什么颜色？天空是蓝色。云层是什么颜色？云层是白色。红色和白色哪个颜色最好看？哪个颜色最好看？红色 means red, 白色 means white. 哪个 means which one? 颜色 which one color is more good looking? 最好看 more good looking. 红色和白色 red and white color. 哪个 means which one? 哪个 okay. The character for which one is number 2. Okay, number 1 is that one. 哪个 that one. But we are asking about which one. We are asking the question. So the character we will choose is number 2. 哪个颜色 which color 颜色最好看？最好看 more good looking. 最好看。我觉得我 means I. 我觉得 means feel or think. I think 白色好看 I think white is more good looking. 我觉得白色好看。我觉得白色好看。红色和白色哪个颜色最好看？我觉得白色好看。我觉得白色好看。So now comes to the sentence use section. 你好，阿丽。
你好 Abby.
天空是什么颜色？
天空是蓝色。
云层是什么颜色？
云层是白色。
红色和白色哪个最好看？
我觉得白色好看。
So today's vocabulary are 颜色 means color. 颜色白色 means white color. 白色蓝色 means blue color. 蓝色红 红丝 means red color. 红丝觉得means to feel, to think. 觉得天空 means sky. 天空云层 means cloud layers. 云层 This channel is actually for learning basic Chinese and preparation for HSK levels. If you are a beginner and want to learn Chinese for free, so please join us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon that you won't miss any updates in the future.